Fara here.
Aiesya here.
So we're kind of doing a new setup, as you can see. Anyway, today we are doing another skit because we feel you guys are getting bored of packages. We're still gonna do them. We're just gonna balance out our normal videos with packages.
Subscribe down below and smash the like button.
Anyways, without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, we need to pack some things. I'm gonna bring you again. Let's not bring you.
Alright, honey. So we're here at school. Make sure you have a great day, okay? And don't let anyone get to your squishies.
I have to bring out Squishy now.
Oh my God! Is that a squishy? Can I squish it? Okay, please. Can I squish it?
I'm sorry. No. I really like my squishies, but you know, I feel like squishing.
Can I squish your squishies?
No.
Okay.
Oh well.
Paparazzi. Well, my sister doesn't let me squish her squishies, but while she's away, she cannot see me do it, so.
What did I see?
Oh, I didn't do anything.
Why are you squishing my squishies? Okay, so I'm going to the supermarket. I'm going to bring the super rare My Melody blend with me to the supermarket because I love it so much. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Mommy!
Oh my God. Is this a squishy? I didn't know they had squishies at the supermarket. I'm totally getting it.
Hey, my mom didn't let me get it, but I wonder where my squishy is. I put it right here. I remember I did. Hey, where did it go? Oh no, I lost it, Mommy!
I think I'm gonna go get a snack because I'm just really hungry. Where's my squishy? Didn't I put it right here? Squishy! I lost! Did I lose my squishy? Did someone steal my squishy? Someone must have stolen my squishy.
Fara?
What?
Your squishy's on your bed.
Oh! Squishy! How could you move like that?
I love you. Oh my gosh, I want that croissant right there.
I want that cornet. Oh my gosh! Look at that pig! Look at that dog! Add to cart. Add to cart. Squishes should have been here by now. Where are they?
Yeah.
Had someone stolen them?
Did they fall off the plane?
Has it been sent to the wrong address? So thank you guys so much for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed a skit. And to everyone who has sent us a package or we've received it, you might have to like wait for a while for your package to be filmed because we want to keep our skits and packages maintained, like, you know. What?
Make sure you like and comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on our next